Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix printer in error star. So very easy guys. Firstly click on star and type here device manager. Click on device manager. After click on print to press and here option Microsoft Print to PDF. So right click on update drive. Search automatically for device. Windows will search your computer for best available drive and install every new device. Click it. The best drive for device are already installed. So click on close. That is. And guys, other way, click on start. Type here CMD, and right click on command prompt. Click on run administrative. And type here net space stop space spooler. Click on enter. The print spooler service was installed successfully, and type here again net space and type here star space, type here spooler, click on enter. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method where to fix printer in error start. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update. Please comment this video will full or not. Thank you for watching.